we are learning to add and subtract by going up or back through tens, and we're going to use number lines to help us partition our numbers for this. Okay, let's have a look at this problem here. 17 plus 9. Now I'm going to use my number line here to help me to work out this question. First of all, I'm going to identify where 17 is on my number line. So here it is, right here. And then I'm going to look and see where the closest tidy number is to 17. And because I'm adding, I'm going to look up the number line. So I can see that my closest tidy number to 17 is here at 20. So I'm going to do my jumps. 1, 2, 3. I had to jump 3 times to get from 17 up to 20. So I'm going to record that now. So I went 17 plus 3 got me to 20. So I've added 3, but I can see here that altogether I need to add 9. So I need to think of 3 plus how many more will give me 9. From my basic facts, I know that 3 and 6 will give me 9. So I need to do 6 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I've gone 20 plus my 6 got me to 26. So 17 plus 9 equals 26. Now let's have a look at a subtraction problem. This time my question is 46 take away 8. So firstly I need to locate 46 on my number line. Here it is here. And because I'm taking away, I'm going to look down the number line to find the next tidy number. And I can see the next tidy number to 46 is 40. Remembering that a tidy number is a number that ends in 0. So I'm going to jump back from 46 to 40 and count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went 46 take away 6 got me to 40. Now in my question it says that I need to take away 8, but so far I've only taken away 6, so I need to think of how many more I need to take away. And I know that 8, if it's got 6 in it, it also needs to have 2 more to make 8 in total. So that means that now I'm going to go from my 40 and take away another 2. So I'm going to jump back on my number line, 1, 2 more, and that gets me to 38. So 46 take away 8 equals 38. So for your activity today, you are going to practice partitioning numbers, breaking them up into parts to help you to add and subtract by going up or back to the nearest tidy number.